This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome to Kumar Consulting. So guys, here in this session once again I'm going to explain solution of one more error which is taking place. One of my student has sent a screenshot. Let's have a look on the error and then we'll see the solutions also. So now look at here. This is the error, and if you have a close look here, it's saying like company code Z0 ZM01, right? Do not appear in a particular proposal. The date and identification code, everything is given here, right? Now ZM01B, whatever it is. So now here what is happening, guys? This is related to what? This is related to automatic payment program. He is running APP, and in that he faced this issues. So we'll do one thing. First of all, by looking at this message, because this message, by looking at this message exactly, we cannot say where is the problem. First of all, we'll have to check the proposal. So just do one thing, F110, and you have to give the run date and plus this identification code. Okay, this is already deleted, so I'll just have a look. Okay, so we'll do one thing, guys. We'll run this proposal. Okay, I think you might have deleted this, and let me check now. So if you're going to click on display here, then of course you'll be having this error, right? It is not appearing. It is not appearing. Why? Because of course certain error has taken place. So how we will come to know which error has taken place, guys? So for that we have to analyze the proposal. So you just come back and click on here. Okay, display proposal log. So if you have a look here in proposal log, then you will come to know that where is the issues. And in the very first, what to say, this one itself, I came to know that this is related to grace days. In the sense, grace days period related issues are there. Look at here. Okay, vendor number 5015, right? So we'll do one thing. I'll just show you. Let me open one more screen and use transaction code FBL1N. So this is the vendor number and give the company code. Just execute here. So look at here, guys. There is only one open item is there, right? And it become due on 6th itself, right? But even though it become due on 6th, but there is a problem. What is the problem, guys? If you have a look on the configuration, let me open one more screen and use FB, ZB, right? Click on all company code. It's okay, no issues. Even we can make it yes. We can see that what is the issues. So here click on position and give the company code ZM01. Press enter. Now if you have a look here, that 5 days grace period is given, right? So if the 5 days grace period is given, so even though the item become due today, but still we are having additional 5 days which is going to be added here in this due date. So 6 plus 5, right? So till 11th, what will happen if we are going to run this APP system is not going to include this line item. This will be included if you are going to run APP 12th onwards. Till 11 we are having time. Why? Because we are having 5 days grace period also. So even though this item become due on 6th, still we are having 5 more days. So what will happen? System is not going to, if you run this APP, system is not going to include this line item for this payment run, right? So that is what here it is saying, right? 5 days grace period is there, even though it is going to be due on 6/02. Now we'll do one thing, guys. Here, if you just click on display, right? So till 11th, what will happen, guys? Till 11th, it is not going to be included. Okay, next payment on 7/02. It is saying that here, if you come back, right? Since we have given in parameter what is happening, the next payment date is 7/02, right? 7/02. So till 11th, it is not included. If you are going to run APP on 12th, then only it is going to be included. So what is the solution? The solution is either you have to give, here you are going to give, like let's suppose we have to run in future dates, like let's suppose we are going to give 12 then 0 to 2020. In that case, it is possible, or else you just do one thing, delete the proposal, this current proposal, and click on parameter. Okay, and here in next payment date, what we are going to do, guys, here in next payment date you have to give 12/02 2020. So if you're going to give 12/02 in next payment date, then what will happen, guys? Whichever the items are going to be due before this 12th and all, that is going to be included, right, in the current payment itself. There is a complete logic behind this next payment date, that is already I have covered in the live classes. I've given a session on this one, so hope you guys will not be having any confusion. Let me save it, and then if you run this, look at here, just press enter. Now if you click on display proposal, it will appear. Look at here, this 1000 got selected, right? Even if you want to see the proposal log also, here also you'll be having this, right? Here also you can get, look at here, it is appearing. Here it is appearing, right? Your vendor account is going to be debited, your bank account is going to be credited, right? So where is the issue? The issue is related to the grace period only. So what will happen in that case? So this if the grace period is there, then in that case what will happen? System has not selected this one. So either you have to give a future date, and here you can give a future date means 12th, and then you can run, or else here in next payment date also you can give a future date, and that too after post 11. If you're going to give here 11th or 10th and all, then the system will not consider, right? Post 11th, 12th onwards, if you're going to give this next payment date and all, then system is going to include. Or is here also in run date field also you can give 11th and all, again this posting date and document enter too, you have to give a future date, that too post 11. The system is going to include this line item for this payment run and all. Before that it is not possible, because 5 days grace period is also added. So this is the root cause of this error and all. So that's all in this system, guys.